Namaskar. When you cook a delicious meal, you carefully pick the best ingredients. But have you ever thought the utensils you used? Many of you use non-stick cookware for convenience and plastic containers for storing and heating food. But did you know that these materials actually can harm you quite a lot? Let's understand more. First, we have non-stick cookware. Many people love non-stick pan because they make cooking easy and require much less oil. But what you don't realize is non-stick coating is usually made from Teflon, and Teflon starts to break down at high temperature, releasing harmful chemicals into your food. Over time, tiny flakes of non-stick coating can chip off and mix with your food, entering your body. All this can cause serious health issues, including thyroid disorder, liver damage, and even cancer. Then there are plastic utensils and storage containers that are very common nowadays due to their convenience and affordability. When exposed to heat, plastic releases harmful compounds like BPAN and phthalate. These are endocrine disruptors, which means they can interfere into your hormonal system and may lead to issues like obesity, infertility, metabolic disorders, and even certain cancers. Even when you order food online, it is packed in plastic containers. When hot food is served in a plastic container, plastic particles and compound leach into food. So storing, serving and reheating food from plastic container should be highly avoided because the heat accelerates the leaching of toxic chemicals, making your food really harmful for you. Then comes aluminium cookwares, which is lightweight, cheap and conducts heat well. This is why it is very common in kitchen, but it too comes with serious risk. Cooking acidic food in aluminium pan like tomatoes, tamarind or lemon based dishes causes the metal to leach into food, leading to potential neurotoxification. High aluminium exposure has been linked to brain disorder, including Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. With these dangers present in your kitchen, switching to traditional time-tested cookware isn't just a lifestyle choice, it's the best choice for your health. So today, let's look at some traditional Indian kitchenware that can help you make the best choice for your family health. Indian kitchenware has a rich and ancient history dating back thousands of years. Earliest forms of kitchenware were made from clay and were used for storing as well as cooking food. Over time, other materials like copper, bronze, iron were also used to make kitchenware. First, let's look at copper utensils. These have been used in Indian kitchens for centuries. They heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly, making them perfect for curries and slow cooked dishes. Another advantage is that copper adjusts almost immediately when you increase or decrease the heat. This precise control can make an excellent choice for delicate cooking technique. Some other advantage of copper cookware are that it is the best for cooking rice. Even science has now proved that copper-rich food boosts collagen. So eating food cooked in copper vessel is good for your skin too. And remember, copper has antimicrobial property. It detoxifies the body, helps increase hemoglobin, improves the secretion of bile and the peristaltic movement of the gut to aid digestion as well. But if you are cooking something with high amount of acidic ingredients like tomatoes, lemon, then you should avoid copper cookware. This is because the acid in lemon, tomatoes will leach away copper into our food. This becomes dangerous if in high quantity. High amount of copper in the food causes nausea, vomiting, liver and kidney diseases. It causes even depression, fatigue and irritability. Your next choice is cast iron cookware. The cast iron kadhai is a staple in Indian kitchen and it is widely used in the varieties of dishes. Cast iron tawas are excellent for making rotis, parathas, and dosas. Some of the top benefits of using cast iron cookware are cast iron also heats up evenly, which means that the food would be cooked uniformly. This helps to prevent burning or overcooking and does not destroy the nutrient profile of your food with excessive heat. Over time, it develops a natural non-stick layer, unlike Teflon coated non-stick ware. This also reduces the need for excess oil or butter, making your cooking healthier. Cast iron utensils can be used for varieties of cooking methods, including deep frying, sauteing, or simmering. This makes it a versatile tool in the kitchen and can be used to cook a wide range of dishes. And very importantly, cooking in a cast iron kadhai offers several health benefits as the iron reaches into your food, providing natural source of dietary iron. The third option for you is stainless steel cookware. They are practical, durable, and easy to maintain. It doesn't react with food, making it ideal for all types of cooking. Though it lacks the heat retention of copper or brass, its affordability and convenience makes it a winner. The next option for you is earthenware or clay pots. They retain moisture and enhance flavor and keep food naturally cool. Many traditional Indian cooking tastes best when cooked in earthenware. As clay is porous in nature, it enhances the cooking process. Then heat and moistures are allowed to circulate throughout the food. This means food doesn't burn and the nutrient profile of food is also better. Earthen cookware needs less oil. It reduces the fat content in your meal. Clay as a material has alkaline property. It neutralizes the pH balance of the food by interacting with acid in food. Clay contains about 40% of natural water and minerals like magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and calcium. These natural minerals improves the nutrition of the food, but they are fragile and require careful handling. Overall, using traditional Indian cookware offers many health and nutrition benefits. These versatile utensils can help you cook healthier, tastier meals. So make these valuable additions into your kitchen, protect and improve health and well-being of the family. So make some changes in your lifestyle and you will really benefit. Namaskar.